Why do you guys blindfold her?
I know. Oh my god!
What the heck was that?
So smoking. I'm out here. So you cannot stop. I swear.
You get it right now before you got here.
Oh my god, that's the hardest thing ever.
It's so gay because like, oh yeah, it's all the way in Fairlawn.
It's like, man, I need to go to
I can't believe
bed,
this
man.
Bible on my freaking jacket. Man, so ghetto.
Go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kasey. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, wait for a car real loud so they can hear it.
Why are you 2 years old?
Yeah, plug in though. Hurry.
She's too
I get it.
That was good.
Yeah! Okay, man.
Oh, we messed up my cake.
Happy birthday, you're 16.
Molly messed up my cake.
I wish I was 16.
I left the cake and the candle. Great.
Father God, she's a special blessing to go along with the rest of the day, Father God. Just pray that you be with Kasey for another year around, Father God, and I just pray that you give her strength and courage and motivation to go on, Father God. Just thank you for everything you've done for us. In Heavenly Father's name I pray, amen.
Thank you for everything.
I didn't want comfort. What to do? Don't try.
Look over there.
Well, thank you for everything, and thank you for everybody to come
You too.
here. And, that's all I gotta say.
No problem. I love you.
I know we love you, okay? We love you, we love you.
I thought last week was celebrating your birthday. I thought it was for you. I said, what? Another birthday for Kasey?
What?
Wow.
祝你生日快乐，祝你生